All right. What is up? I'm in Hersonissos and today it is Sunday, the 16th of April, 2023. And I am taking a walk to see what's going on and also to show you what's going on. Well, when I arrived, there was nothing going on. The whole beach was empty, but now I can see here and there one or two people are hanging out at the beach. If you are familiar with this, see front side of Hersonissos, like the western side, like the western beach, there is only one shop open, okay? Nothing else is going on. No bars, no restaurants are open. But when I was walking toward this area, I saw some stuff happening in the main street of Limnas Hersonissos, which is like the port over there. This is the port, and in front of like the port with the street, there was something going on. And so far I can see, some people are coming, some people are visiting Hersonissos. There was a boat tour. It already took place. People were having fun while you are sitting there somewhere in the Western Europe waiting for the day to come to Hersonissos, while people are already here and having a good time. So we will be taking a walk. It will be a brief walk to show you what's going on, so you can help yourself to schedule your plan for summer 2023 in Hersonissos. Here, right at the port, you can book your fishing boat trip or whatever package they have. I don't know what are the prices. I will try to talk to them if they have any informations to share. And this particular boat was called Zurbas Buddha, and it's like a beach cruise boat trip from 12 to 15, from 15 to 18. Good afternoon, my friend. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
We go from 12 o'clock until 3 and we do this tour over here.
Okay, so if somebody wants to book a tour, for how hour is gonna be?
3 hours.
Okay, 3 hours.
We're from 12 until 3 and 3 until 6.
Okay. And how much it's gonna cost them?
It's 25 euro. You can see it over here.
Okay, it is 25 euro.
This is not a party boat. We
okay.
make mini cruises, but swimming, snorkeling, and stuff like that.
Okay, good to know that. Okay, but there are some party boats as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Will come later on. We are supposed to be at home today to celebrate. But we choose to work. It's anyway. Claudio, my name is Claudio.
Claudio,
yes.
Really nice meeting you. My name is Amir, and I'm a very famous YouTuber here in Hersonissos.
Nice to meet you, Amir.
Nice, good season, Kalidinami.
Kalidinami.
Bye.
Bye.
What is up?
Pepsi and be sexy. Hello, bro.
How are you guys?
Pepsi and be sexy. We are okay, my friend. We are the first one. We are open for this season. Look, everybody's closed.
Yeah, I can see that. Good luck.
Always here, my man. Always on duty.
The party, my friend.
Yeah, happy to see you open.
Yeah, good to see you too, man.
Yeah.
Blue label. Blue
All the best
label.
about the season.
All the best, bro. Take care.
Take care, bro.
Bye.
See you again later.
Well, as you can see, there is one boat available that you can book a trip, and there is a bar open. It's a good one. They have also these balloons with this some sort of gas that makes you laugh and makes you some sort of something. So yeah, there are somewhat services open to let you have somewhat fun, but as you can see, the rest of the bar side, like the henna shop or gift shops, are not completely open. But it is enough to have a good time in Hersonissos. Absolutely. Yeah, and I can see the energy and the laughter in everybody's face. Summer 2023, everybody is ready to have fun. Hersonissos is going to blast this year, I'm pretty sure. And I will be here to capture those moments, to bring it to you. In case if you missed on coming here. As you can see, we have another restaurant open here. It's called El Camino from 1984. Yeah. Yes, my friend, how are you? Yeah, everything all right. It's not quite summer yet. Everybody is in the winter sleep. Their muscles are waking up one by one, and they are kind of realizing like, oh, summer is around the corner. We gotta wake up and we gotta provide services and do something. Yeah, and this is the Mike's pub in the whole Hersonissos. This is my favorite place. And yeah, if in 1,000 years I would wanna like come for shots or for a shot of whiskey, then this is my place. This is where you can accidentally find me, in Mike's pub. Yeah, they kind of really have preserved that the bar atmosphere inside the bar. It is really like how should I say, it's kind of gritty. It's, I don't know if I'm using the right word. It's kind of like that real from 80s or 70s or from 90s bar feeling in the Mike's pub. If you would go inside, and also the bartender, both of them are really cool people. Yeah.
Ja, de haak. Ja.
No,
Den Haag. I'm going to there.
And here we have the T-Hof van Holland. They are also trying to prepare this place and looking like they have installed these new posters. They look completely fresh, and new ceramic work in order to welcome you and let you have a good time. And this is our masturas working here. Yasu masture tikanome.
Yasu.
Kalididami.
Nice talk.
He was like, I am untouchable. I don't want to be bothered at this very moment. And this is our train to take you for tours around the Hersonissos. Kronia Pola! Hey!
It's amazing, right?
Yeah, it
Beautiful
is.
setup. How are you doing? Everything
I'm
good?
doing good. What is your name?
Peter, nice to meet you, man.
Do you have something to say for them?
Well, the thing is, I would love to say a lot of things, but I'm not from here.
Ah!
Yeah, I'm actually half Italian, half Bulgarian.
Oh,
I just
good.
moved here.
Good.
But the island is amazing.
Yeah.
Crete is just gorgeous island during the summer. I recommend people who join it.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
Zamir Patyan.
Hey, it's nice to meet you, man. And
Nice
I
meeting
wish
you.
you good luck
Yeah.
with your video.
Yeah, yeah. So this is Irish pub, and You remember, I came here like 3 weeks ago, and Irish pub was already open, and they have all of their like schedule already put here, so if you can read, let me show you some of them. Okay, hit the like button already if you like this video, and share your thoughts, recommendations in the comment section.
Попорно стоїть і
And this particular part of Hersonissos, it seems a little bit like nothing is open yet, and also the McDonald's is not open. And if you remember from my previous videos, we have here nice taverns like pizza restaurants. They are also not yet open, and the kids are playing with basketball. Okay, so now we are on the main street of Hersonissos. As you can see, these shops are today closed due to the Easter. Maybe that's why they are taking a break, and I kind of couldn't wait anymore to not make a video about Hersonissos. Maybe that's why most of the shops are closed today. Possibly they will be open on Tuesday, because Monday will be also holiday. Yeah, but the essentials services are open, such as soup. I can see like there were some, let me see if we will see if the supermarket Halkadakis is open, and there is Spar is another supermarket, if that's open. Yeah, because they will be keeping things in mind, like, yeah, tourists can come and maybe it's not their holiday. At least we need to keep some businesses running on the holidays to provide services. If you are planning on coming to Hersonissos in one of these days, then yeah, I guess in Hersonissos you will always find, and especially in this time of the year, like shops, mini markets, coffee shops to be providing services. Yeah, they kind of don't take breaks from the holidays. Yeah. And this one is the supermarket Halkadakis. This one is a very big supermarket in Hersonissos, and the other one is the Lidl. You may already know about that. So supermarket Halkadakis and Lidl is at the moment closed, but come on, it's gonna be open maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, so that's not it's a temporary thing. Yeah, other than that, the weather is warm. It feels like 23-24 degrees without wind. You can already feel warm with that, with a t-shirt. Yeah, gotta keep the move elevated. I might need a coffee to keep to give myself a little bit energy, or maybe I need a chocolate or maybe an ice cream. I will go buy an ice cream from those colorful ones. Yeah, to keep myself happy. And if you have anything to share, please go ahead and write it in the comment section. We are gonna I will read that, everybody else will read that, and we are gonna have some fun reading those comments and chatting. Yeah. Okay, so what else? Now I will walk back to where I have parked the car, and before I get into the car, I'm gonna grab a coffee. And if you want to support the channel, and if you want to support me, links in the description. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and please share your thoughts, recommendations, inspirations, suggestions, guidance, whatever it is. Just share it in the comment section. I will be more than happy to read them and respond to them. And if you are already having a good time, then consider subscribing. Other than that, until the next time, peace.
Everything's alright.